Step 1, take out your mobile phone. Step 2, scan a QR code. Step 3, get paid real money for scanning QR code. So the name of this website is, yes, you can get paid up to $800 by just scanning a QR code. Today I will show you 2 best methods that you have never heard before to make money with QR codes. So like this video and let's start with the first method of making money with QR codes. That is for getting paid to scan QR codes. For this, we will use the 7 best websites that will pay you money to scan a QR code. You must have heard of these websites before, but today we will use them for just getting paid to scan a QR code or barcodes. Starting with the first website, like you know, Swagbucks gives you cashback on every purchase you make by just scanning the barcode on this website. Put cashback in your wallet. Swagbucks gives you cashback on every purchase you make from your favorite stores like Amazon and Walmart. Of course, even if you make purchases offline like on Walmart or Best Buy, Swagbucks will still give you cashback by just scanning your barcodes and receipts. There's one thing we all need to admit here: we all do shopping on our favorite websites, offline and online, both on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and we buy groceries, electronics, toys, and so many other items online. So getting cash back from all these our purchase is very easy and simple. So you can get cash back for buying electronics, clothing, groceries, or healthcare products. As you can see from here, we can get cash back directly to our PayPal account for shopping on our favorite retail stores like Amazon or Walmart. And for doing that, all you need to do is to just scan your QR codes and receipts, and you could get cash back between 2% or 8%. If you are new to Swagbucks, for just joining this website, you will get a free $10 bonus on your wallet. Now the second website on our list is known as inboxdollars.com. As you can see, they also pay cash back for your shopping. If you scroll down a little bit here, you will see how it works. All you need to do is to just scan your barcode or the barcode on your receipt to get your cash back from Inbox Dollars. So Inbox Dollars just integrated this barcode scanning reward on their website, and you can get reward for just shopping on your favorite websites like Netflix, Target.com, Walmart, and the rest. Now Inbox Dollars are giving $5 bonus for their new users, which you can take on the opportunity right now. The next website is the NCP panel or National Consumer Panel. On this website, you can scan barcode from any purchase you made, products you purchase online or products at home or any store at all. Of course, you can scan barcode whenever you shop at Target, Amazon, on any other retail stores. Now the fourth website is known as iButter.com, and here also you can easily get cash back anywhere you shop. They make it easy, fast, and safe to save big. And if you are new to this website, you will get $10 whenever you spend up to $30, which is very awesome. You can get up to 30% cash back at thousands of top retailers like Home Depot, Best Buy, eBay, Walmart, and so many of them by just scanning the receipt of the items you purchase. You can even link your credit card or store loyalty card for even greater savings. The fifth website is fetch.com. Just download from your Apple Store or Play Store. As you can see, saving has never been fun. You can also get paid for scanning your barcode, QR code, and your receipts. It's that simple. Use Fetch Reward with just any itemized receipt you get, including the ones from your weekly trip to grocery store. Then you can receive your payout as gift card or even Visa cards. All you need to do is to just snap your receipt, your barcode or your QR code and get points for doing that. Then redeem your points for gift cards or more. Now the sixth website is receipthug.com, where you can get reward for every time you shop and anything you shop. All you just need to do is to upload your receipt or scan your barcode and you get paid extra cash, and you get extra cash through Visa, Amazon or your PayPal account. To do is to shop at any store in person or online, upload your paper or digital receipt or your barcode to the app and earn rewards and redeem them for extra cash. It's that simple. And this is the best thing about receipthug.com. They allow you to shop on every store, on every brand and at any time. So it's not limited to Target, Amazon or any other store. Now the number 7 and the best website on our list is shopkick.com. Shopkick is an app that you can download from your Play Store or your Apple Store. So if you scroll down, you will see so many brands that have partnered with shopkick.com like Duracell, Catters, Coca-Cola, Home Depot, P&G, Unilever, Nestle and so many of them. This is the best website for scanning QR code and making money from. Because you could just walk into any of their partners grocery store like Target, Walmart and the rest, scan few products barcodes off the shelf without even buying anything, and you will earn some reward for that. So when next you walk into Starbucks, Target or Walmart, just try and scan any of the products barcode you see there, upload to Shopkick and you will earn great reward for that. When next you walk into Starbucks to order a coffee, you shop on Amazon, Walmart or any of your favorite shopping retailers, you can make use of any of these 7 websites to scan the code, QR code or upload digital receipts to earn rewards from them. The second best method to make money with QR code is called drop servicing. Drop servicing is a model of business where you sell digital services to clients and outsource the work to freelancers or agencies or contractors rather than doing it yourself. But right now on this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this task yourself without outsourcing it to any freelancer or agencies and keep all the money to yourself. Very simple, easy and it's free. So if you come to freelancer.com, search for QR code on the search bar and hit enter, you will see so many people who are offering this QR code gigs and you will see how much they are all making. So them charge between $10 to $5 to create QR code for people on Fiverr.com. So this person have over 1,000 orders and this also over $1,000, charging $10 per QR code they sell. And they have made over $5,000 to $10,000 by just selling QR code on Fiverr.com. You scroll down to these gigs, you will see that so many people have made over $10,000, $5,000, even $15,000 to $20,000 just selling QR code on Fiverr.com. And with the method I'm going to show you today, you don't even need any technical training or any technical know-how. Within 5 to 10 seconds, you'll be able to create your own professional QR code and sell on Fiverr. To start with this, I want you to come to qrcodegenerator.com. QR code generator is a free website where you can create amazing QR code for businesses, individual social media platforms and websites. If you scroll down, you will see you can create QR code for business cards, flyers, brochures and etc. They will all look so amazing and all these are for free. Now to show you how powerful this website is, you can create a QR code for your website, vCard to save your digital IDs, text for emails, PDF files to save your Facebook IDs, your Twitter IDs, to even request for Bitcoin payment and to save images. Now to get started, I want you to sign up to this website by using the sign up button here. Once you have done that, log in and you will be brought to this page. Now for example, create a QR code for Technomy TV. So all you need to do is to come up here, copy the URL of this channel, back to QR code generator, then click on this option here, website. Enter the option website, you click on next, and place the YouTube channel link here and click next. Up to this page, as you can see, this is our QR code right now. So you can also customize this QR code by changing the frame. As you can see this, you can also look at this. There are several options you can choose here, but I think I like this one. I will stick with this. Then you can also change the frame color, maybe to the theme color of your website or your YouTube channel. For me, I will change it to red to match with my YouTube channel color. Okay, this will be good. You can also change the QR code how it looks. Like you can see from here, you can change it to any style you want. There are several styles here, but I think I will prefer this. I will stick with this one here. Then most importantly, you can also add your logo inside the QR code. All you just need to do is to click upload and insert your logo on it. The logo of my YouTube channel on this QR code right now, and it looks so beautiful and amazing, and all these are for free. So the next thing you need to do, just click download to download your barcode. Now this is the barcode you just made and downloaded. You can go ahead and scan it and tell me on the comment section if it works. Now you know how to create a beautiful QR code with this website, or just for free. So to earn money with this QR code, all you need to do is to come to Fiverr, create an account on Fiverr if you don't have any, create a QR code gift related to all this you can see here, offer your services to hundreds to thousands of people on Fiverr and make a lot of money from this. You can charge $5, $10 to $50 for your QR code services on Fiverr.com and make up to $800 to $1,000 from selling QR codes on Fiverr.com. If you want me to create more video on how to make money on QR code, just let me know from the comment section below. To show that you support what we do here, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video so I can reach out to so many people out there, and see you on my next video. Thank you.